Hey Cynthia, I dare you to grab that and stick it in your mouth and eat it.
Hold on.
What'd
she say?
Move! No.
Ew.
I like really want to shove ice in her face.
Eat it!
I wonder like the poker she's gonna spit out.
Are you eating it?
Mm-hmm.
Ew!
There's still more.
Now the pink one. I'm just kidding.
There's still more.
The what?
You wanna go spit it out?
No! That wouldn't be my dare! Ew!
Okay, bye.
Hold on. Oh, I can't see.
You're the guy.
Fail.
Do you want to look at it in the trash can?
Yeah.
No. Ew.
Where is it? I can't see it. It's too dark.
Don't ever do that again, ever.
Yeah, do it
That
again.
looks
No.
gross.
Now with the pink one. Just kidding. Say bye.
Bye.